Welcome to Wrenchettes. We're now another working this beautiful G35, better life as well. Today we're gonna be swapping out the rims. The reason why I'm swapping out the rims is because I'm doing the Batman build. And one of the key components of the Batman build was to use my old rims, but painted black. And that's exactly what we're gonna do today. We're gonna clean them up, tape them up, and then paint the inner rims black. And then we're gonna leave the lips silver, at least for now. Well, so far they look like this. They have a lot of damage, like right here. But I'm not too worried about those corners. I'm worried about the inside right here, which is gonna be painted. I'm gonna have to sculpt down this thing like this. Is like rubber. It's like a rubber here or something. But overall, the metal seems to be okay to paint. Okay, this is the last coat for all the rims, and then I'm gonna put finisher. What is this? Some clear gloss, and that's it. 3 coats, and then I'll fix it up when I have a good garage. Really nice. But I have a special guest. This is my special cousin right here, the next baseball player for the New York Yankees.
Let's see.
I need $500,000 for that, you know what I'm saying? You get paid. But he's a prospect baseball player, a really good baseball player. So I give you all your positivity toward Josue right there, because he's gonna be a big thing, you know what I'm saying?
Me, I'm gonna play outfield.
Outfield?
Low infield, mostly outfield.
Outfield?
Yeah.
$5 million for you. 5 years. So here it is. This is the first coat of clear. I was gonna do a matte clear, but I don't have the matte clear gloss. been super excited for this look from when I got the car. Honestly, I liked it, but it's just not my style. It looked cool when I photoshopped it for the Batman build and I put the picture in the corners. Seeing it in person just gives it that special oomph, man. I am totally in love with this car once again. It looks amazing in my opinion. I don't know if you guys still remember, but I don't have power steering. My steering rack is busted since I got the car, and I haven't been able to change it now. Where now I'm more than ever motivated to get that thing fixed because the car is super heavy now. Now, if you don't know what I'm talking about, I'll link the video in the corner to see how much weight did I save when I changed these rims for the OEM that I have now, which by the way, they are for sale. This is just one step closer to getting the Batman build. After this is polish, and then after the polish is design. After design, the last bit is gonna be the Batman wing. So until next time, guys, peace. Número 10.